Kenya has an abundance of largely untapped natural resources wealth, which has attracted a sizable investor attention in recent years. The extractive sector, which currently contributes about 1% to Kenya's GDP, has the potential to contribute about 10% through a close collaboration between the government and the private sector and the academia.
And how the Open Government Partnership has been trying to sort of ensure that communities are part of the conversation, but also how we create a multi-stakeholder ecosystems of government, civil society, and private sector to be able to co-create, but also manage these resources for the benefit of Kenyans.
We are conducting research on the issues of transparency and accountability in Kenya's petroleum sector. This is a project that will be implemented by the Ministry of Petroleum and Mining.
They say inadequacies in the legal and policy framework, as well as access to information and lack of transparency and accountability, is hindering the extractive industry from reaching its full potential.
And the idea is really just to look at the oil and gas value chain and find out ways in which we can promote transparency and accountability, matters of public disclosure of information, and the like.
Of course, it's data and technology. That's something we are working on very heavily. We've signed now an agreement initially with people on satellites and Earth observation. So the idea then is, how do you open that data?
She says extensive research and borrowing best practices from countries such as Norway will place Kenya in a better position to manage natural resources.
The idea was to better understand this sector. We've been bringing experts from other countries like Cameroon, like Nigeria, Ghana, so that we can be able to have a conversation on how they have been able to manage, but also resolve issues that emerge. And for us, we are really at the first oil phase.
Caroline Jenga reporting for NewsHour Business.
Not only by us, it's held also across.